Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then at the general section, click on the language button. And as you can see, there are common languages section where the most common languages are listed. But you can also find further languages, and if you found yours, just click on that and click on the OK button, and it will save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.